Next will probably be bumper removal. Now, I've never done this before on this car. I'm probably just gonna wing it and go off my intuition. If I get stuck, you'll see we will pause for my dumbass to look up how to do it on the intrawebs. Think she's a little rusty? Yeah, that's gonna change. Nice and broken. I like it. I like it. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Nope. Let's call this wheel well clips. Stupid ass. Don't mind me. I grabbed literally the biggest screwdriver I could find. Yes, I did. What a fucking nightmare, bro. Look at that shit. What the fuck is that? Oh god. Not good, dude. Let's take these same ones out on the other side, and then we'll just... I don't know, man. It's getting warm. I don't like it. Nice, nice. We're in good shape on this side. We only had to take one out. I know I'm probably gonna have to take more out than just this. I'm just starting with these ones. Just fucking take them all out. Fuck it. I'm probably gonna need a smaller screwdriver though, I can tell you that. See, now we're thinking here. That's way more convenient. See that shit? Chest pocket's good for something. Down she goes. Well, since we're crossing over, let's just do this side. Down she goes. Into the handy little pocket bag. Let's go. Broken? Not broken. Hey, hey. Clip's not quite out far enough, but there we go. Nice and loosey-goosey. Just how I don't like it. And we gotta leave. Knew I was missing one. Almost overlooked it. Come on out, buddy. I found another one down there. Okay, the screwdriver's way too fucking big. That's better. Probably should have been using this the whole time. Okay, bets that we break this one. 35% chance. Not broken. Okay, this one, very high likelihood that we're breaking it. Broken? Not broken. Doing good, boys and ladies. Doing good. Whoa. Should I put safety glasses on for removing body clips? I almost poked my eye out. Well, that's doing a whole lot. All right, we are getting there. It's one step done. So it's one missing bolt, one missing body clip, another missing bolt, missing couple body clips. We're doing good, boys. Oh, fuck. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna start a new baggie for these, and these are gonna be bumper clips slash bolts. Okay, I think it's just attached from the top now. Okay. Bumper clips plus bolts. That's my our lock release on this. We in business. Okay, that guy. Oh, why can't they all come out like that? Or did I speak too soon because this fucker's not coming out? You serious, bro? Well, we heard it hit the ground, so I guess that's a good sign. See, why can't it just be like that? Just come right out. Oh, let's go. How did that hit the ground? It had to have gone through one of those small holes down there. Jeez. Talk about luck there, boys. Well, we'll be right back. I'm gonna Google how to do this so I don't fuck anything up. Well, I pretty much had it. I had all the clips out. So the only thing is that there's a clip behind this guy here. So let's go back up. There's that clip. Why the fuck are you not coming out, you bitch? Dude, what the fuck? Please tell me it's that clip up there. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Bitch. Bitch. So I'm gonna unplug this while we're here. But I'm gonna put it back in now that we got the clip out. Wow, dude. Why are you being so difficult? Ah, fucker. Okay. Like I said, we're going back in just for simplicity's sake and not losing things. It's probably the worst thing we could do. Misplace, lose shit. Not remember how it goes in. Way easier than the other side for some reason, but I'm not gonna complain. Don't be a bitch. Not too shabby. Push this wire through, this guy back in like we did on the other side. Okay. Let's get the blanket prepped, lower the car back down. Ew. Come on. Okay, we're ready for the bumper. Ah, fuck, dude. That is not what I wanted. What the actual fuck is this, dude? Are you kidding me? Well, that's not happening. I gotta take the connector off. Dude, why the connector's gotta be the biggest pain in the ass? Oh, thank you. What the fuck are these, dude? Really? I mean, I guess it's good that they at least come out. But, God, that's terrible. Come on. Oh, thank you. There's still more. Okay, since there's a black wire going to a green one, I'm gonna mark them both blue so I know the blue ones go together. Same thing on this side. Otherwise, it's black to black, red to red. Okay, what the fuck is this shit? Why can't they all be that easy? Okay, so what the fuck happened to that one? Oh, nice, I broke the bulb. That's cool. I guess I'm buying fog light bulbs. This shit's gonna have to get addressed. Like, this is absolutely outrageous. What in God's name? I don't even want to fuck with this. Half the problem, dude. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. As you can tell, I got a wiring mess that I gotta clean up here. That'll come later down the road, but that's obviously something that needs to be taken care of with how, you know, messy all those wires are. But that'll essentially do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.